Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm simply going to show you how to use Instagram music sticker. So if you want to add spice to your Instagram story, then adding a music to it would be a great way. So I'm simply going to show you how to use that feature on Instagram. So first of all, you simply have to open up the Instagram mobile application. Then you simply have to swipe to right in order to open up the story. From here, you can either take a photo or a video from the gallery and you can take the one. I'm simply going to take a photo. Once you are done, here at the top, you will see the option of stickers. So simply tap on that. Now as you guys can see that in the first column the third option is of music, so simply tap on that. Now here it will gives you two different options, for you and browse. In the for you section there are a lot of songs given to us by Instagram. You can select any of the song. Then if we head towards the browse, here first of all there are categories names are birthday, date, night, R&B, soul, and any of the category you can select a category. Then if you want more songs related to that category, you have to tap see more and it will give you all the songs related to that particular category. Now if you can't find any of the song in both of these lists, you can also search for it at the top in the music section by simply tapping on search music, and then you can search for any kind of the music. Once you have selected a music, you simply have to tap on that. Now here as you guys can see that there are different options through which it will give us lyric. You can simply swipe and check which option you want. You can also adjust the duration of the song, which is 15 seconds, 14, and any of the seconds according to your preference. And then you can also select the start and end point of the music. Once you are done, simply tap on done at the top of the screen, and after that you simply have to post the story. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.